Gotta protect me with my driver. I'm afraid of a fiber. And she a top girl, high class, but she still a suck dick when the car pass. Left come
Byron a fraud? Jamaican born, St. Kitts and
and she a top girl, high class, but she still a gotta protect me with my driver. I'm afraid of a fiber. 3 5.
Fans have accused Byron again of style biting. One commenter at T Boogie took to Twitter and shared her thoughts. Very hypocritical how y'all told Jeff Fully Auto to suck it up cause Taliban's was better than Big Guns, but y'all only ready to diss him now for Masicka. LOL. Byron a fraud.
The man ain't no fraud, brother. The man just smart. Notice how easy it was to identify the commonality and the similarity between the song them. And not just that one valiant song there. Yeah, bro, obviously said the man I use certain cadence, certain flows. You get me? I say, bro, certain even pitch too. From other dancehall artists and their songs, bro. But if we go take one thing from this, is not say the man is a fraud. And I like to say the man when they try to hide it. It's very obvious. The person who left the comment, I say, it's very hypocritical because the fans of mental Jeff Fully Auto to suck it up. Why? They suck it up because Byron went to the same thing with Taliban's and theme song Big Guns. But bro, if you go call a spade, even she did point it out in the comment. Taliban's was a better song, pound for pound, than Big Guns. Now I try to put on the artist and say, yo, Jeff Fully Auto and one good artist or one bad artist. And man do what if you do. But instead of the cry over spilled milk, which are the same thing go for Jeff too. If you mind just take that advice, bro, I'm better off right now. Instead of go up in your feelings, bro, and I say, yo, you rip off my style, rip off my this and sound, whatever. Bro, it's dancehall. Believe it or not. Other artists do it all the while. It's just that it's not always so brazen. Bro, it's a very common thing. It's just that the fans them, some people willing to go up on their feelings, and even some of the artists them too. Because again, Jeff, why you go sit down and say, bro, yo, this is my team style and rare. Yeah, bro, it's very obvious. Is me I say. But remember too, you know, bro, at the end of the day, you know, imitation is a form of flattery, you know. Obviously, as the sense is yes, the song bad. That's why the man copy it. And you know why I'm do? The man tweak it and just make it better. Bro, at the CMT, you think I just dance? Bro, read this.
Getting this cake is not a joke. I'm that nigga and I'm wavy. These souls never about to play me. Okay, in the way for the thing she a push punish.
At the same thing tour lanes do when he went just a forward up in the scene. And even if to this day he may want to continue to do it. Because he do it from time to time, but they don't really need to rely on it. But bro, when tour lanes are forward up, only when known in Canada, and he say, yo, he need a big break on the scene. You know how much man style and sound tour lanes bite, brother? But one thing though, you see if tour lanes bite your style, you see if tour lanes bite your sound, if he bite your song, sorry for you know. Because your song don't sound good again, you know, if you do the original. That. Tell me that, you know. Bro, I sitting with going a long time in the music industry, bro, I just know. They always been a going. Most of them know Drake controller.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. I thank God you came.
But about the people them wanna know say yo, Tour Lanes when do a controller remix. And in my opinion, brother, dark up rhythm, brother. Better than for Drake song. The only difference is Drake song way more commercial, he's the more known artist. You get me saying? I have that like a pop vibe with it, like a feel with the dancehall melody and then the cadence in it as well too. But at the end of the day, what Tour Lanes when take that rhythm there, what that song there and do with it, bro.
But still I'ma keep it low, cause shorty know I got it, shorty know I'm on it. Pull up upon me, when I rub up on palming. Come fuck with the top shot, money on.
If you're a true rap fan, your business ball lyrics and them something there, bro, you would know say Tour Lanes dark up that. Bro, I see him thing little window all the while. you know, I'm not drift too much in hip-hop side. But I see everything Lil Wayne do all the while, bro. And the reason why you have whole mixtapes dedicated to taking other rappers' beats and doing a much better song for it than him, bro. I just a game at any idea where you go to ball about it. If me and Jeff fully auto, you know what me to do? Bro, me the stay so and draft y'all some of same Byron Messia song them. Some of the same song them me a draw back for, if me and Jeff. And I say, yo, I tweet them here now. Because for famous style, I use as a foundation and I carry the social part in there, you know, bro. I continue to use it and propel myself same way too, you know. Bad man, nobody not like the Bitter X. Nobody not like this mad way in but nobody not like a ghostwriter will come forward and say, yo, I did the write all I sang them. And that it go sound like, even though Jeff and I want ghostwriter. So that it go come off as nobody name pay no attention to any ghostwriter will come forward and say, yo, a two-day that. Yo, someone I use something with me lay down on paper and for me idea and for me creativity and thing, bro. The fans them showing the time and time again. All them care about is, bro, great music and great production. Take it back to 2000s dancehall, early 2010s even. Bro, enough of them song the way you hear Vada sing, Bounty Killer sing. Them man are Stalwart and Column in a dancehall, brother. Some of them song the what them same one voice, bro, not them write them, but them perform them. I see them concept, bro.
Yeah, the people did kick up little rumpus and all that, but at the end of the day, he was well welcomed here. Mm-hmm. I'm sure he'll do shows here and people will cheer for him and these things.
Mm-hmm.
See my talk about, bro, I don't have to say much else. Brother, cause the artists them know see me too, bro, so the fans them fickle. One man just say a while ago, bro, when the man found out Jamaica, you see nobody about him, you see no back laughing off him, but now look for him, man, bro. And welcome the man, cause dark forward and yeah man, Billboard chart tapping Ray and this and that and you know, big hype and excitement. Bro, when it's convenient, bro. You see what I say? I ran just figure out a method on a farm and I realize say yo, it's a work for him, you know. Plus as they fix the point out on the same podcast I'm take clipping from. Bro, the man have a machine behind him right now. See, I really think about and sit down and the nitpick and I say, yo, I need to be the most authentic and baddest dancehall and Ray and thing, bro. In a dark climate here, bro. But man, them business about commercial success. Now they so Jeff fully out on the whole of the dancehall fraternity I try to reach, brother. Who not reach already? The cross rover, bro. The man take your song, bro, yeah. Acknowledge that. That only I go for sure say, yo, you did do something great on the original song. Yes, a bad artist. But the man take your song, bro. Man, I'll remix the song same way again with Burna Boy and which part that reach, bro. Billboard at 100. You get me, I say? So them something to pay attention to, fam. You know what is really hypocritical? The fact that the same people them who are in the comment section and I say, yo, Byron rip off the man in thief, see then do it again, and thing. But man, look at the views for your song them. You think a robot watch your song them? You think a robot view the video them? Bad man, look for which part Taliban's reach. Look for which part any song what Byron drop, whether a couple months before Taliban's or anything when drop since Taliban's. Look for the views for that song. Bro, obviously fans of a rock with it. And I only see him one, bro, if you don't go on party tomorrow. I hear Taliban's are playing on that, brother. I own that at the end idea, bro, so come on and play it dumb, bro. We already call a spade. Alright. Jeff full of of film fans them, you know. So everybody entitled to their opinion, cool. So the song when we make for this Byron after we realize that yo Byron we basically splice up big guns to make Talibans. Yeah bro, having in fans them on that see me to one own comment section and say, yeah dog, I throw me DJ and thing. But then what? We progress after that, bro. But I say the artist now progressing himself, you know. But I say, where that I go, as I say, 1 or 2 day talk, brother, I didn't even reach 9. So I couldn't major in my mind, bro. That's small stuff. Because the songs them now get viewed and listened to upon them own. After somebody did it, 40 million views, bro. A whole heap of views, that, especially if you're a dancehall artist. And then that's a thing. That's why I say the same fans them hypocritical. And sometimes I want to see one confuse the artists them too. Because we say one thing today, but tomorrow we go back on the next artist page and support the artist and I say support the artist them. But brothers, as I say, call a spade a spade. I don't want to pick and choose when it's convenient for you. Because if somebody wait for tackle you right now and say, yo, watch the dog not going for dancehall now. So Byron a boy name Monday in the Afrobeat there, regularly on Billboard. But when last one reach Billboard, I'm sure say different from the Sking and Nicky collab and the Shensi and whatever. Some people still go draft for the Byron and say, dog, now what do you dancehall song make Billboard, bro, and things so I claim him and no want and then I fling him on the bus when it's convenient, bro. You see me I say. If you don't want to have it both ways of phone and business, but I take an idea and stop the artist from doing what I do, which is make great music. And the numbers speak for themselves. Men lie, women lie, but numbers don't, bro.
He was well welcomed here. I'm sure he'll do shows here and people cheer for him all these things. You know what I mean?
Chef Jeff really get a raw deal because
You know, yeah.
A raw deal, then when they say Jeff get his car, the eye opener. So I cooking, if go cook sitting in the kitchen and chef up that. It's a raw deal, bro. It's an opportunity to bounce back and forward, but bigger. Like, bro, when I realize I would even talk about the most obvious rip-off in this song, yeah.
Love how your pussy feel like gold. Tight hole. Tight hole. Tight hole. Miss tight hole. No one feel live in your tight hole. Mount a girl stored in a high phone.
Masicka Like Gold, released 10 months ago, more than 4 million views. Obviously, a successful song. Byron Messia, Miss Tight Hole, released less than 2 weeks ago and already garnered over 500,000 views. Bro, what are we talking about?